Yeah.
Okay, put that on. Uh-oh, these are too big, buddy. You sure you want to wear them?
Yeah.
You're not going to be able to hold anything. Here you go. Hold these for Daddy.
Right out here, huh?
Yeah.
Making a silly face.
So we're reading the magazine.
Yeah, I'm reading the magazine.
Ah!
You been being a monster? Oh no, now you can't see. No, give it back. I'm trying to read it. Give it back.
I need that.
Yeah, you were holding on to that.
1, 2, 3. Hey! 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 Penguin, penguin. Did they say hey?
Honey, I want to fix your helmet so you can see.
Are you cold?
No, are you cold? It's nice out today.
Oh, my coffee.
No, that's my coffee. You don't need that.
Oh, my coffee. My coffee.
Put it down, please. Why are you being like this? Stop.
My coffee. What? You found me? Found you? No. Volkswagen is fun. No, Volkswagen is fun.
Volkswagen is fun?
Yeah. The
Come
Volkswagen.
over here, please. You're in the stand.
Thank you for my review. Look good. There's pieces, peas.
They want to get a stretch out of it. Buddy, I'm gonna go get the bunch of cord.
Daddy, wait! Come over here.
What's up, buddy? What do you need? A
Come
kiss?
over here.
Mwah.
I'm gonna come.
Well, come hold my hand.
Okay.
We go together. my best friend?
Look at Mama's
That's Mama's car, yeah.
Wow, that's nice.
That's a nice car, huh, buddy?
Do you need to do it? I will do it. I will do
You
it.
do it, Daddy will do it. Look, we gotta unlock it. You put the key in, and you turn it, and it unlocks.
Yeah.
Just like that. Okay, you gonna help Papa? Here, you take the bungee cord. Let's go. You gonna help Daddy? You helping?
Who me? Just
Yeah,
that.
you're helping. Let's go.
You helping me?
Let's go. You wanna ride?
Yeah. You want to take a ride and
Yeah,
pay
we
the
go for a
paper?
ride.
You want to pay?
Yeah, buddy. You gonna rule the road?
Yeah.
Say, I'm gonna rule the road, Daddy.
I rule the road.
Yeah, buddy. You're gonna rule the road. Look up, buddy. He's gotta get in here and put this bungee cord.
Ow.
Buddy.
Should we see Mama on the wall?
Hi. I got the key.
That's called a shadow.
No, not the shadow.
You stay out here, okay?
Goodbye. Ta-ta.
Ready?
Yeah,
I'm ready to rumble, Papa.
I'm ready to rumble, Papa.
Alright, buddy.
Okay, Jeff.
He's calling me Jeff. He's okay, Jeff. Alright, you're not that much of a man yet. Okay, you step back.
Yeah.
Come around this way and I show you. Okay, this is the choke. You say choke?
Coke.
Yeah, that's a choke. Put the choke on. Good job. Okay, now come over here. Now, this is the on switch. Turn it on. Like this. Turn it on. Hit the switch, that right there. Go ahead. Go up. Good job. Okay, now come over here. This is the pull start. I show you. Pull that right there. Pull it. Pull. No. Like this. Put your fingers like this. Just like that. Now pull. Pull. Like this. No. Look. You go like this, and you put one hand here, one finger here, and you pull like this. Pull. Go ahead, try it.
Pull.
Oh, good job. You want Daddy to show you?
Yeah.
Now Daddy pulls. Ready? Look out. Move your hand. Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Rumble.